The success of your store is going to rely on just this one thing, this one component, and you should definitely pay a lot of attention to it. So I made exactly $4,478.59 on my TikTok shop last month. And I did this with no ads, little to no followers. It was just my product, my content, and consistency. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to share 3 things that I wish I knew when I started a store a while back with just $0. And hopefully you watching can learn a few things from this video, apply that to your store, and start making some money. Let's dive right in. So why TikTok shop? TikTok shop is wide open right now. You don't need to be an influencer to get started, and you don't need to pay for ads to get your first sale. So I tested 3 products, 2 of them flopped, but one of them eventually took off. And here are some of the products that I was testing out. And you have your classic push-up board and also the AirPod cases. Had a little candy viral type of twist to it. So with that being said, let's dive right into the 3 things that I wish I knew. So the first one is tools. The success of your store is going to rely on just this one thing, this one component, and you should definitely pay a lot of attention to it. So product research is one of the most important things that you should focus on. So there are tools out there that could help you with product research. Some examples, for instance, will be Tickstar and Fatmost. I was using Tickstar to look up trending products, looking at the stats on these products as well as the performance on the videos. And then I was using Fatmost to not only do some product research as well, I was using Fatmost to help me generate viral content ideas. It really helped with the creative aspect of coming up with ideas for your product. Those 2 tools were very important in helping me focus on picking winning products. Oh yeah, by the way, I dropped a free PDF of the top 5 tools that I use to help grow the store from $0 to $5,000 in a month. So if you would like this free PDF, the link will be below. Feel free to take advantage of it. But yeah, back to the video. The second thing that I wish I knew starting out was content strategy. So let me show you what that looks like. When it comes to your content strategy, I was posting about 2 to 3 times a day. These were not your typical dancing videos or talking head like this video. They were more like product shots video, me holding the product on my hand, and then I will have a voiceover on the back end, and I use a tool like CapCut, for instance, to do the edits. When it came to my content strategy, I was really focused on 3 things. You want to have a strong hook within the first few seconds of the video. You want to actually show how your product works, and then you want to also end the video with a clean call to action. So that call to action could be you're running out of stock, or you're doing some sort of BOGO, buy one get one. So think about all of that while you're formulating your content strategy, and just try to keep that format consistent so you could replicate and duplicate all these posts. Once I kept that format consistent and I was just getting to post at least once a day, I started to notice a snowball effect and then that's when orders started to come in. The third but not the least, I would say just being patient and experimenting, showing up, trying out that idea that you've been putting off for a while. Understanding your first product may not be your winning product. And don't forget those tools I mentioned. The link will be below for those tools. If you are serious about opening up a TikTok shop or even growing your current TikTok shop, I'm actually going to be building out a course in my Black Titan group. Currently, the group is still free to join. I have over 210 members at the moment. Eventually, it's going to be a closed group and it will be a paid group. So at the time of this recording, I'm pretty sure you can still join this group for free. Take advantage, join for free. I'm going to host a course in the group, so you're going to get access to the course for free. The link to the Black Titan group will be below. Take advantage of that as well. But this is just the beginning. I'm going to be posting more videos like this in the near future. So if you got some value from this video, hit the like, hit the subscribe so you don't miss out on my next videos. And until next time.